Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of profitable decor and high-end furniture by turning every scrap into that sells fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The idea of the Zero Waste Workshop begins as a creative challenge and quickly evolves into a philosophy that reshapes how craftsmanship, value, and responsibility are understood. In this space, nothing is dismissed as unusable, and every byproduct of making is treated as a potential beginning rather than an ending. Sawdust settling on the floor, irregular wood offcuts stacked in corners, and metal shavings caught beneath machines are no longer signs of waste, but quiet invitations to imagine further. By committing to craft stunning decor from every single scrap, the maker steps into a deeper level of artistry, one that demands attentiveness, ingenuity, and respect for materials. This approach transforms the workshop into a living ecosystem where each action feeds another creation, proving that true craftsmanship is not only about what is made, but about how fully materials are honored throughout their entire life cycle. In a zero-waste workshop, the creative process expands beyond primary projects and embraces the overlooked remnants that most makers instinctively discard. Wood scraps become the raw language of intricate sculptures, layered textures, and compact decorative forms that carry just as much presence as larger pieces. Small offcuts, once seen as inconvenient leftovers, offer opportunities for experimentation and expression, allowing makers to explore shape, rhythm, and balance on a more intimate scale. These smaller creations often feel more personal and artistic, inviting close interaction and curiosity from those who encounter them. The transformation of scraps into refined decor demonstrates that scale does not determine value, intention does. By working within the constraints of leftover material, creativity is sharpened and solutions become more thoughtful, resulting in pieces that feel deliberate rather than improvised. Metal scraps and shavings, often treated as purely industrial waste, also find renewed purpose in the zero-waste workshop. Thin strips, fragments, and filings can be refined, combined, and shaped into elegant accents that complement wooden forms or stand alone as sculptural elements. The contrast between warm wood and cool metal introduces visual tension and sophistication, elevating simple materials into decor that feels contemporary and bold. These accents often become focal points, adding depth and texture to interiors that crave individuality. By reclaiming metal remnants, the maker not only reduces waste, but also expands their creative vocabulary, blending materials in ways that reflect modern design sensibilities while honoring sustainable principles. Perhaps the most transformative element of the zero-waste philosophy is the reinvention of sawdust itself. Fine particles created through cutting and shaping wood are usually swept away without a second thought. Yet, in a workshop committed to zero waste, even this residue becomes meaningful. Sawdust can be compressed, bound, and sculpted into textured surfaces or integrated into composite forms that reveal a layered story of the making process. These creations embody the idea that nothing is truly lost in craftsmanship, only transformed. The resulting decor carries a unique visual and tactile quality, reminding viewers that beauty can emerge from the smallest fragments when approached with care and imagination. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. The impact of this approach extends far beyond aesthetics, reshaping the economic potential of handmade decor. By utilizing every scrap, material costs are significantly reduced, allowing artisans to invest more time and creativity into design rather than sourcing. This efficiency opens the door to profitability without excess consumption, proving that sustainable practices can strengthen, rather than limit, a business. Each piece created from waste carries a compelling narrative, one that resonates deeply with customers who are increasingly aware of environmental issues and eager to support responsible makers. When buyers understand that a decorative object was crafted from materials that would otherwise have been discarded, its value increases not only monetarily but emotionally. This story becomes a powerful differentiator in a crowded market, positioning zero-waste decor as both ethical and exclusive. Artistry within the zero-waste workshop is defined by attentiveness and intention. Working with scraps requires the maker to slow down, observe closely, and respond creatively to irregular forms. This heightened awareness fosters a deeper connection to the material, encouraging designs that feel organic and expressive. Rather than forcing materials into predetermined outcomes, the maker collaborates with what is available, allowing each scrap to influence the final form. This dialogue between artisan and material results in decor that feels alive and authentic, carrying traces of its journey through the workshop. Customers sense this authenticity, recognizing that each piece is the result of thoughtful problem-solving and creative adaptation rather than standardized production. The environmental impact of crafting decor from every scrap is profound, demonstrating how small, intentional choices can contribute to larger ecological change. By minimizing waste, the zero-waste workshop reduces landfill contributions and lowers the demand for new raw materials. This approach aligns with the values of sustainable living, offering tangible proof that creativity can coexist with responsibility. In a world where excess and disposability are common, the zero-waste workshop stands as a counterexample, showing that restraint and mindfulness can lead to richer, more meaningful outcomes. The decor produced within this framework becomes a symbol of conscious living, inspiring others to reconsider their relationship with materials and consumption. Beyond environmental benefits, the zero-waste approach reshapes the maker's identity and sense of purpose. Crafting from scraps challenges assumptions about worth and potential, fostering resilience and innovation. Each successful transformation reinforces the belief that limitations can inspire creativity rather than hinder it. This mindset carries over into all aspects of the maker's work, encouraging experimentation, adaptability, and continuous learning. The workshop becomes a space of exploration where failure is reframed as discovery, and every leftover piece holds the promise of a new idea. This dynamic environment fuels long-term creative growth and keeps the practice engaging and fulfilling. Ultimately, the zero-waste workshop represents a holistic vision of artistry, one that values completeness over convenience and intention over excess. By crafting stunning decor from every scrap, artisans demonstrate that true luxury lies not in abundance, but in care and creativity. Each finished piece, whether formed from wood offcuts, metal fragments, or sawdust, carries a message of respect for resources and belief in transformation. These creations stand as proof that waste is not inevitable, and that with imagination and commitment, even the smallest remnants can become objects of beauty and value. In this way, the zero-waste workshop becomes more than a method of making. It becomes a statement of values, showing that maximizing material and minimizing environmental impact is not only possible, but deeply rewarding, profitable, and artistically profound. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable decor and high-end furniture by turning every scrap into that sells fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.